Hey guys, I'm Mike now. I had the construction engineering. Well, I chose the construction engineering for my discipline of engineering project, and I'm here to tell you guys about it. Main purpose is to build infrastructures, houses, buildings, skyscrapers, bridges, dams, things as airports, really any infrastructure that looks man-made or would require construction to be built. They're very responsible. This is, I think, what differs them from civil engineers. They're responsible for the safety of the construction workers executing whatever the project is. Now, it says that the construction engineers are actually responsible for choosing the equipment that the workers use and making sure that the equipment that they use is safe. They're all in charge of that. They do lots of managing blueprints, schematics, and they travel from site to office all the time. Now, like I just said, they travel a lot from office to job site. Job site could be an hour away, 2 hours away. You never know. Most of their work on the computer is obviously done in their office. Now, like they use simple apps that we've used during high school, like Inventor, AutoCAD. If some of you use Maya. Now, conditions can be whatever the weather's like. I mean, you could be inside in the nice room with AC on, just on your computer, sitting in a comfy chair, or you could be outside under a tent in the freezing cold, windy. You know, it really just depends what you're called up for that day. How they work, they use lots of the apps we use, like Maya, Inventor, AutoCAD. You know, a lot of their stuff is done on the 2D AutoCAD, so they could make schematics and Inventor to create scales. Now, lots of them even, they could, say, 3D print some of their projects on a smaller scale to see what it looks like and to hold what they're working on. But I have a buddy whose dad is actually a construction engineer, and he does a lot of printing blueprints. He actually gets them all shipped from the office to his house, and he works from home. So he does a lot of schematics. It's mainly the job. There's more schematics in the job than there is actually traveling from site to site. The salary, demand, and education. Now, the pay for a construction engineer, say you just got hired, who's going to be around 70 grand, is what PayScale said, payscale.com said. Now, it also said with experience, you could be getting paid up to over 100 grand. That's over 6 figures. It's insane, you know? Just for, say, but that's probably for many years of experience, having worked there for a long time. Now, the career demand for this field is actually supposed to go up drastically in 2022 because lots of infrastructures are getting older, being taken away by erosion. You know, a lot of the stuff is fading away and is going to need either new infrastructure, new foundation. A lot of it is getting old, really. Simple as that to say. Now, it said online, and for most engineering fields, to be taken seriously, you need a bachelor's degree from a college in the engineering field. And I looked up colleges. I know I'm pretty set on the RCSJ for my first 2 years to get the core classes down for the engineering. And then I've also been looking into Florida State. They have a really good education. Get your bachelor's degree. And they said you can even do an extra year, which is you're still learning things about the field, and you're also, say, working as interns, doing a lot of stuff with the college or through the college to help real-life scenarios and doing real-life work as to already get experience for your job that you're soon going to be applying for. And that's all I have to say about my construction engineering. This is the first video I've ever made. This is kind of weird, but all right, I'll see you guys later. Oh, here are my sources too, by the way.